Did you know that 70% of men who start a fitness regimen don't see the muscle gains they expect? And the surprising culprit isn't just their workout, it's their hydration. Today, I'm going to share some of the best drinks for men's health that can boost hydration and help you finally achieve those muscle gains. If you've been struggling to see results despite giving it your all in the gym, stay tuned because this guide could be the game changer you've been looking for. Hi, I'm Farhad, a certified fitness coach and nutritionist with over 5 years of experience in helping men optimize their health and achieve their fitness goals. Like many of you, I've been on the journey of trying to build muscle and stay fit. And I know it can be frustrating when your hard work doesn't translate into the results you expect. That's why I'm passionate about breaking down the science of health and fitness into simple, actionable steps. In today's video, we're focusing on an often overlooked aspect of fitness hydration. We'll explore drinks that are perfect for supporting muscle growth, enhancing recovery, and boosting overall health. By the end of this video, you'll know which drinks to incorporate into your daily routine and why they're so beneficial for men's fitness. So whether you're hitting the gym hard or just looking to stay healthy, stick around to get some amazing tips that will hydrate you and fuel your body. So, why are so many men not seeing the muscle gains they expect? One major reason is improper hydration. Dehydration is one of the most overlooked aspects of muscle growth. When your body isn't properly hydrated, it affects everything from your energy levels to your ability to recover after a workout. It's like trying to run a car without gas, it just won't work. Muscle growth happens when your body is in an optimal state of recovery and hydration. Without enough fluids, your muscles can't repair themselves properly after a workout, and you'll feel fatigued more quickly during exercise. Many men believe their lack of progress is due to insufficient protein or not lifting enough, but the truth is, dehydration can sabotage your efforts. This lack of proper hydration affects your ability to push through tough workouts, and more importantly, it makes muscle recovery much slower. If you're drinking only coffee and sodas throughout the day and not enough water or hydrating drinks, your performance will take a hit. You might not see it right away, but over time, it adds up, leading to poor results. Take Mike for example. He's a guy who works out 5-6 days a week but was struggling with muscle soreness and feeling fatigued after every session. After incorporating some of the hydration strategies we're going to discuss today, he noticed faster recovery and was able to add weight to his lifts in just a few weeks. It wasn't about changing his workouts, it was about improving his hydration. Let's dive into the solution hydration, and I'm not just talking about chugging more water. We're going to look at some specific drinks that don't just hydrate but also provide essential nutrients that your muscles need to grow. The key here is to stay hydrated with beverages that offer a boost in vitamins, minerals, and even protein. Water first and foremost, you need plain old water. Aim to drink half your body weight in ounces every day. So if you weigh 180 pounds, that's 90 ounces of water. Electrolyte drinks after an intense workout, water alone may not be enough. You lose electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium when you sweat, and replacing them is crucial for recovery. Look for natural electrolyte drinks without added sugars. Protein smoothies. A post-workout smoothie with protein is great for muscle recovery. Try mixing whey protein with coconut water for hydration and added potassium. Adding fruits like bananas can further enhance recovery thanks to their natural sugars and vitamins. Green tea. Green tea is an amazing drink for both hydration and metabolism. It's packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation in your muscles after a workout and has just the right amount of caffeine to give you a boost without the jitters. Beet juice. Believe it or not, beet juice is one of the best natural pre-workout drinks. It increases blood flow to the muscles, giving you a better pump and more endurance. Plus, it's loaded with nitrates, which can improve cardiovascular health. Now, let's talk about the science behind these drinks and why they're so beneficial for men's health. Hydration plays a massive role in regulating body temperature, lubricating joints, and transporting nutrients to cells. Without enough fluids, your body can't perform these essential functions effectively. But it's not just about drinking any liquid. You need drinks that can help balance your electrolytes, boost muscle repair, and even support your immune system. According to Dr. Stacy Sims, an expert in exercise physiology, hydration needs change based on your activity level and environment. She recommends incorporating drinks that not only replace lost fluids but also replenish electrolytes and promote muscle recovery. That's why drinks like coconut water, which is rich in potassium, and protein-rich shakes are so effective. Let me show you how to make a simple post-workout hydration drink. First, we're going to use coconut water as the base because of its natural electrolytes. Next, we'll add a scoop of whey protein for muscle repair and a handful of spinach for extra vitamins. Remember, pairing the right drinks with your workouts is key. After a heavy leg day, your muscles need quick recovery. Here's a quick lower body stretch routine you can do while sipping on your post-workout drink.